Well, we are in the Billy the Kid Museum in Hico, Texas. Let's just take a quick look around. So there's a lot of compelling evidence or arguments that Brushy Bill Roberts was Billy the Kid, and he survived. So this is not a very big museum, but it has a lot of neat stuff in here. There's an old jail cell. That's kind of cool. Just in the back of the store. It's a dioramic of a battlefield. The one in the back is Antietam. Here's some neat saddles. Here's a bust of Brushy Bill Roberts. And there's Brushy Bill's saddle. So there you have it. This is the Billy the Kid Museum. I think the movie Young Guns was kind of alluding to Brushy Bill. So that gives it a little bit of credence, or at least puts it in the forefront of people's minds. But anyway, here is the Billy the Kid Museum. Thanks for coming along with me, and remember, you're all dearly loved.